Hello, I'm Maginpanic and welcome to my reaction channel. Today, let's react to Stuck in the Sound. Alright, I haven't seen that video, so let's just jump straight into it. It might be a very cool video. Let's go. Stuck in the Sound. Alright. I like the vibe at the very beginning. Parallax and nice transition, so you can tell it will be very cool. Stuck in the Sound. That's a very cool fire detail. I'm gonna just play it again. Pretty fast, nicely done. That was a fast motion from standing next to the character and looking inside the can. What was that? Oh my god. So the character like jumped into the scene with this kind of like a lightning strike. Okay, you got my attention. I like all those scenes when the light is happening. This one, we are opening the doors and all the scene is lighted up and we have those shadows on the ground. That's a very cool shot, and it was a very nice choice to actually rotate the screen the way that we will see more of that shadows in the screen. That was a cool thing. I like the special effect of this air bubbles. It's a very well made video. It's kind of limited, but very well animated. All the details there, like a parallax. And there will be a fight. Whoa! And this transition, let's watch this impact there. What was happening? So there is like a light source from the behind of those characters, and they are red frame. That's interesting. Blue. And the smoke is getting darker, and those characters from the balcony was just cuts away from that, pushed over the balcony, and we have this transition from the smoke to the new characters, and now I can see more smoke. Let's play it. Very well done. I love it. Okay. Whoa. Nice lightning. It's coming from the eyes, kind of. No, it's just attached to the hands sometimes. It's very fast. And it works very cool. It's not too complicated, just a couple drawings. But it's still very cool to the eyes. Like a force field. I'm wondering how those like impacts from those heat bullets kind of weapon, how many frames there was to make this. There is this frame, 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. 4 frames to make this loop, which is pretty cool. Whoa. That red liquid. Very well animated. I can feel the impact. And the character on the back. That was a cool use of those light source from the very center to make your eyes look into this spot right away. And this splash was insane. Nice one. I like how the glint of the glasses are always connected. What? That was wonderful. Let's play this. So the character disappears. There is someone with a railgun shooting. And we have the first frame with the liquid, second getting out. We're having this air pocket at the very middle, while the one that was long is detaching, forming this tiny little spheres because of the surface tension, and it's destroyed into small particles because of the surface tension again, and we are disappearing all of them. There is kind of like a reuse to make the second impact, which is something that I always appreciate. You can always reuse the same effect to make kind of like a second impact. We are getting closer to the character and we can reuse it, like we are looking at the character again from the different angle, and it makes like the second impact more vibrant, and we are allowed to do it. That's a nice thing to do. Oh my god, I want to check this one frame when this old character gets hit. So this one, that's a smart use of colors, and again we are having those rays focusing our eyes in the impact. 1, 2 frames, all the liquid around and the character is out of the screen, and we are here. Very, very cool smoke. I like this frame. Rough drawing, not very it's like a blurry because of the impact and how fast the character is moving into the background. I really appreciate that. Smoke coming out of the character, very well animated. Switch from this frame as always to not disappear all this smoke, which takes so much time, to the close-up scene when we can just add some of the dust and actually animate more details, such as this red liquid there. Wonderful, well done. I'm wondering why we still have this smoke there, but I appreciate that. That was so much work to do, and we can disappear them. That was pretty smart to disappear just the right part of the smoke, while the left part is still here, but we are splitting the screen so it's disappearing on its own. That was smart. Very smart. Let's rewatch this. Impact. Very impactful. I love it. Lightnings. What is happening with this move? Why I haven't seen that, and why this have just 1.4 million views? Oh my god. This is so insane. So the character charged with the like a thunders, the lightnings there and the dust in a full speed coming to the character. The character that's going is blurred, and we have the steam string of the smoke behind the character, and there is a slash. As always, we want our eyes to be on the impact, so we have those rays. Everything turns pinkish. Wonderful. One slash. Leg from the top. That thing. 1 second. And the character disappears. Appear from the top. Let's check this sequence one more time before I move forward. Very cool. I like this hold here. The monkey know what's going to happen. I'm pretty sure. But there's more. Oh, plot twist. Not very cool smoke and a very cool way to actually not animate this smoke too much. I love the shapes here. That's a very anime-ish kind of smoke with the vibe of the cartoon. Very cool, very well made. It reminds me of the show that I have worked on, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They had a similar style on the special effect as this one, so I'm wondering if Jeffrey was working on this. But as I said, there is a camera shake. I appreciate that. The smoke is growing, but we have the smoke from the behind of it going towards the screen, towards the camera, to actually cover it entirely, and we don't have to animate all this smoke that's disappearing. And we can move to the another. Oh my god, what just happened? Those shapes of the smoke here. So that monkey is going down, and everything, all the smoke in the scene just disappears. Very well made. There will be one more hit. One more camera shake will happen. Just a little. Wonderful. I like how it's attached to the music. Wonderful. Oh my god, what happened? And then again we have the race to put our eyes inside of the action. This character gets angry. Oh my god, what's happened? That's not good. Not good at all. Getting angrier. Whoa. Whoa. So this character apparently just charged up again. Red frame, lightning, and we are transforming into Super Saiyan kind of thing. The debris are floating into the air. Lightning strikes. We have the smoke on the front, smoke on the behind. We have some fire, of course. What is happening? And the camera shake over and over to make it even more impactful. I love those frames, just the eyes, white and the black. Wonderful. So the tension builds up, speeds up everything, like the perspective is bent because of the speed, because of the camera. I feel like this is kind of reused from when the monkey was coming down on the ground. That would be a smart way to just reuse it if it was possible. Oh my god, and this character disappears, and now we can see the steam behind it with a little bit of lightning for like 2-3 frames. It hadn't to be animated at this point, the charging hold, couple frames holding there, and then we should have like a full-blown. I want to watch this sequence once again. So charging. That's so powerful, so impactful. Slow down. Oh, whoa. Okay, and that's it. Oh my god, so many people. I want to check what just happened there. But let's react this final huge impact. So those 3 frames, 1, 2, 3, very cool. 4, everything turns into white, but you can see the silhouette of the explosion there, which is transforming into the actual explosion, and the second reuse actually of the dust here, and there will be more of them. There is a second one, third one on the back. This one is forming into this mushroom shape. Switching colors, I love those rings around, and as always those impact from the behind that's going on the ground towards the camera, that's covering the screen. We can see everything from the back, and there is like an impact after impact. Wonderful. And with this shot here, they could just animate it more easily with less details, with a cool shot of everything what we saw on the very beginning with this planet. I'm wondering about all the artists. Can you take out those things? Oh my god. Of course, lead FX, Guillemur de Groot. I know this guy. Such a cool artist. Not in person, just the social networks. So as you can see, such a cool, good team of people from France, I believe. Wonderful. Very well made video. And well, just 1.4 million views. It's nothing. It's nothing. I wish there would be more, because that's such a cool video to watch, with so many cool special effects, so many cool camera motion, and like a very cool example of how to create impacts into the fighting scene. That's a very well made video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a sick day and see you around, right? Type me in a comment section what video should I react to. Hit subscribe if you like my content. And again, see you around. Cheers!